Guys, I want to show you guys the strategy, the method you can use to start making consistent profit like this. If you're a new member here, try to subscribe, like, and share this video to all your team. Let me click on this particular profit. All right, let me click on profit right now. You're gonna see even today I make up to $86. You can see even yesterday I make up to 100 and this is I can see $86 today. Yesterday 110. Even there is a day where I make up to $500. You can see them 540 in a day in UTrading when the market is pumping seriously. So right now the strategy I want to show you is a maybe a long positions. Then I need to just get to buy a huge UGAS. I need to just buy a UGAS of either this particular $500 or at least $500 to $95 you guys. So when you are set, the next step right now is to just make sure to connect your accounts with Binance, OKS, whatever, Bybit. So then you need to just come to your robots here. Let me show you this particular area. Just come to your robots, and this is, can you see, this is all my profit: $57, $14, $15, $16, $25, like that. Can you see, $79? Even on doggy alone I make up to $79 even in a day. On Wi-Fi I make up to $58 profit with my new strategy I want to teach you right now. So I recommend you guys to come to this particular market area. Then you can see Bitcoin is pumping right now. I don't normally trade when Bitcoin is pumping. I will not even go for long, because I normally go for long because right now Bitcoin is pumping seriously. So let me just do a small, before you can trade, make sure you check the trend of the market. Let me go to my particular app I normally use for a smaller analysis right away, guys. This is particular app, we call it Trading View, where you normally do your analysis. Even you can see Bitcoin is rising by $3,000 today. You can see right now I won't try to go for long. I will just wait for the market to come down before I can trade. You can see Bitcoin right now, it has broken all my something broke. You can see going to $94,000 right now. You can see. So I need to just wait for this particular area, where Bitcoin has broken. I need to just wait on this area for Bitcoin to retrace, to come down small. Before I will wait for Bitcoin to come to $92,000 before I can place my trade. Then it's applicable to all rest of the coin. I will not even bother to trade right now. I'll just wait for retracements. So most of the coin I normally trade are Wi-Fi. I normally trade this particular coin called Wi-Fi, SUI, Doggy, and Dotcoin, you know. So all these coins. So the strategy right now, just come to your UTrading, pick one of the coin. Let's say I want to trade, let's say Wi-Fi, but I will allow Wi-Fi to come down little bit. Then the boat I'm using right now, this is the boat, AIDCA. This is AIDCA. This particular boat right now is DCA. This, can you see my arrow right now? AIDCA futures. That's the boat. Then click on it right now. Then you're gonna go for long position. All right. Then I normally use, if you have like $2,000 account, 1.5 account. All right. So you need to just go for long position. That is I normally wait for retracement. All right, then I need to just come to this area. I can put it on single. Then make sure you come to parameter here. Come to this parameter. You can see my cursor here. Come to parameter, then make sure you set up your something to 20x. Currently I'm using 20x leverage. All right, then I normally use like 4 at times, 4 max, or at least 2 or 4, but I normally used 4. That is what I'm using. All right, then I don't even, because this one is automatic, but this one is automatic one. You normally trade and execute and take your prop and take you out from the market. Then I normally use at least $30 because of my I have like $1,500 to $2,000 account. So if you want to get it, so just go to your calculator. Let me show you in your calculator. If you want to use $30, go to $30 times 20x. It will give you 600. All right, so it will give you how much? 600 count. You can see, so that is what you are going to put in that particular count. So let me show you in the count. Right, so you can see, so on this particular area, let me show you the area. Make sure this area is 600. All right, it's what? 600. All right, so let me just put it like this way. 500. Let me just put like 150 here. Let me just put like 200, or like let's say 180, 165. So let me just wait, pause the video so that I can, so it's around one. I put in, you can see I've already gotten the strategy 600. You can see I go for 600. You can see, so that's all. Then I will just leave it like this. Or but if you are it's not, you can use $10. All right, you can use $10, but I'm using, sorry, you can use 20, but I'm using $30 on my first buy a month. All right, then I will now use 20x. Simple. I will now just put on the, I will now click on this area. I will now come to launch. You can see I will now click on launch. Simple. So what if even you can just leave it for single, so it will just take the profit. But if you want to be trade for long time, you can leave for side. But if you want just the bot to just trade and once for you, leave it. All right, even you can try it with just single first, put it on single light and leave it. But if you want to stay in the market for like, let's say you on the boat for you turn on the boat by in the night like this as an example, then you can leave it till tomorrow morning as an example. But if you want, you just can put it on cycle like this. But if you know that maybe the coin has already dip very well, you can leave it on, put it on cycle for just 24 hours. But if you don't want to make money quick and get out from the market, just put it on single like this and click on launch. Simple. So if your account is not bigger, you can use either $20 or $10 on your first buy. Just go to your calculator, just like I did. Come here and say, if you want to use $10, just say $10 times 30 to give you 300 counts. Or if you want to use $20 times 30, $20 times 20 to give 400 counts. So this is what we call counts. So all right, to give you counts here, all right, this is what we call, this is area counts. All right, so that's what give me, I'm using $30. I will now click on launch. Simple as that. Then always allow the market to calm down very well before you click on long go. That is what I'm using right now. It is working for me perfectly. This is what, even let me show you my running trade on my running trade right now. You can see on SRP. On SRP, I'm still leaving it. So can you see I've generated a lot of money. You can see this is all my record so far. Profit. You can see on my stop trade, everything here is profit, and you can see my profit here, everything. You can see this is not a fake something. You can see profit. I lose it, but I've already lose so far, but since this particular strategy is working for me, I keep doing it, repeating it every blessed day. Thank you. Subscribe and like. Bye for now, guys.